Ihhovisi likaMengameli seliqinisekisile ukuthi isigameko sokuphanga eplazini likaMengameli senze kamhla zisishagalolunye kuNhlolanja wango-2020. Ngaleso sikhathi uMengameli wayekwethamela ingqungquthela ye-AU e-Addis Ababa eTopia. uMengameli uRamaphosa uzichithile izinsolo zika Fraser wathi ayinasisekelo. uFraser uthi uMengameli wayebandakanyeka ekuphazamisekeni kokusebenza komthetho kanye nokufihla ubugebengu emaphoyiseni. Kodwa uMengameli uyakuchitha okushiwo uFraser ngelithi lolu daba lwabikwa kulowo inhloko yophiko lozokuphepha kaMengameli ku-SABC ukuze kwenziwe uphenyo.
On being advised of the robbery, President Ramaphosa reported the incident to the head of the Presidential Protection Unit of the South African Police Service for investigation.
Estatementeni uFraser uthi bukhona ubufakazi obumesekayo obusecaleni lavula esiteshini samaphoyisa eRosebank okufaka phakathi izithombe, ama-accounts asebhange, imfanekiso eqoshiwe kanye namagama. uFraser uvule icala lokushushumbisa imali, ukuthumba kanye nenkohlakalo ngemuva kwesigameko sokwebiwa kwemali engu-$4 million eplazini likaMengameli. Ngokwemali yakulelizwe le mali isigidi engama-62 zamarandi.
The President stands ready to cooperate with any law enforcement investigation of these matters. President Ramaphosa remains resolute in leading the fight against corruption, restoring the integrity and capability of public institutions, and overcoming the legacy of state capture, and will not be deterred by disinformation campaigns.
Kusenjalo umhlaziyi wezombusazwe uLevi Ndou uthi kukhona okuhlosiwe ngalesigameko.
Of course, if you look at the background of Arthur Fraser and what Arthur Fraser has been doing in the past, one would not divorce this from the politics in the ANC and nationally.
Okwamanje abantu bakulelizwe bazohlala balinde kuze kubonakala ukuthi ngabe izinesisekelo yini lezinsolo zika Fraser.